that soul's oh me, oh my.
No brain, no heart, he's much too shy.
But never mind you three, here's the wizard as you can see. He'll fix that 1, 2, 3 in the funny place called the world of Oz. Oh, the world of Oz is a very funny place where everyone wears a funny, funny face.
All the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever grows old.
In that funny land lives the Wizard of Oz.
Help me! I need oil. The Tin Man and the Wizard of Oz. He's looking for the wizard so he can get a what? A heart. If you're looking for a heart, so is God. You know, sometimes we won't do something because it doesn't make sense and we use our brain. Some of us are just like the Tin Man. We don't have the heart. We have the brain. We spend so much time on knowledge and wisdom, but true wisdom comes from knowledge and heart. It comes from following your gut. So many times in the Bible, they did things that didn't make sense, that the brain would never do. And I think if God calls people that are just so into the brain, they would never accomplish anything. It's ridiculous. It doesn't make sense. But God is looking for people that he can give a heart to, that he can drop a heart in, so that when he says, go, they go. No matter how silly, they don't question it. They just say, God, I'm going to trust you. Much like a kid, when he jumps off the living room table, the dining room table, into his daddy's arms. He just knows that dad's going to catch him. He doesn't know any better. He hasn't been old enough yet where he falls and someone doesn't catch him, he hurts himself. He just knows he trusts his dad. I know sometimes it gets scary, and your mind says don't do it. But daddy stands there with arms open wide, and he says, jump, come here to daddy. Unless you're like a little child, the Bible says you can't enter into the kingdom of heaven. You can't enjoy the kingdom and what it's really about. I pray we get that back, that heart of a child, where he says jump, and we just know that he's going to catch us because he loves us. He made us. He didn't make us to torture us. He made us to jump into his arms. I tell you what, it's one of my favorite moments is when my boys trust me enough to jump. Now, the time they jumped off the roof into my arms, that was a little different. I should have known about that, but don't be like the Tin Man. Actually, be exactly like him. Ask God for a heart today that you could do what he wants you to do. Because I promise you, the Bible says that his ways aren't like our ways, and his thoughts are higher than our thoughts. God often asks us to go beyond our brain and delve into what our heart is telling us to do.